agricultural machinery has greatly evolved, significantly enhancing productivity. This video is for you if you're a farmer or simply want to learn more about agricultural machinery. This plow facilitates a quicker harvest of potatoes. It can take much less time when compared to traditional methods. When using this sprayer, planting crops uniformly becomes a dream. The best method for picking lettuce, fast, efficient, and ready for packaging. After that, they'll be packed and delivered straight to the customer. If your cow is feeling sad, get them one of these devices. Pine trees are bundled with all the branches before being dug up. A towed system for automatically unrolling a tarp on the ground, smarter and faster harvesting. A useful tool package for every farmer. Would you plow the land with 100 cows or do it with a tractor in a shorter time? Those beautiful flowers get dusted clean with incredible precision. Tractors can weed corn and create a flat and even hill for seeding. This tractor makes perfectly aligned ditches. These goats are drinking milk from self-designed milk bottles. This milling machine turns corn and veggies into animal feed. A hoeing machine that works like a robot removing weeds. This This mechanical climbing machine makes Eureka harvesting simpler and safer. A sprayer spreads water evenly across the field. This digger will completely remove the stump in seconds. A perfect tool for collecting and sorting nuts by size. This device gently picks the peppers and separates them from the stem. This equipment checks the sheep's periodic health. This mini rice planter transplants rice seedlings onto the paddy fields like embroidering a picture. Weeds will have no chance of survival while this lawnmower is in use. Farmers can easily sort the size of their fruit with this sorter. Many VIP customers are served wholeheartedly by this machine. This excavator works like a fork rolling spaghetti to clean the grass that grows underwater. Farmers use this escalator to get chickens onto the truck, a brilliant idea to shorten turnaround time. That's all for today. Feel free to leave a comment below if you're interested in or desire to own one of these incredible machines. For now, goodbye and see you in the next videos.